Today we're taking a look at a product that has not yet hit the shelves, but I managed to get my hands on anyway, which is the Brio Raze. Now, just as a disclaimer, I'm going to be sending Brio a couple of clips to use on their website, which I will be getting reimbursed for. However, the first impressions look that I'm doing today and the unboxing is not sponsored, besides the fact that they sent me the product. Now that that's out of the way, I have to tell you guys that ever since I did the videos for the Brio Beardscape, I was really hoping that they were going to come out with a shaver for us bald guys. And that is exactly what this is. So why don't we go ahead and see what all comes with it inside the box here. Taking a quick look at the box here, it's nothing special, but it is very nice and clean without a lot of fine print and just some of the basic features of the Brio Raze. Once we get the box open, we are immediately greeted with the Raze shaver instruction and care manual. Putting that off to the side, we then have a small bag that contains the power and charging cord, as well as a small double-sided brush for cleaning out the shaver. At the bottom of the box, we then can remove the Raze shaver itself. The features of the Brio is easy operation with a single button. The Raze is very simple to use. With one click, you have the on button. With the second click, you go up a speed, and the third click turns it off. If you want to lock the Raze, you just simply hold down the button and you will immediately start to see a countdown on the display. Once it gets to 3, your shaver is now locked. To unlock, you simply press and hold the button again, and you'll get a countdown once again, which will unlock and turn on the Raze shaver. On the bottom back side is the charging port. Now, as you can see right below the LED, there is a white piece of plastic, and I have not yet seen that light up. However, I do believe that it must be a battery low indicator, but I can't find any information on that as of yet. The Brio also features a one-piece head, which means you only have to remove one piece and all 5 blades come off, which makes for a really easy cleanup. It also means that each head is not on its own individual arm. So all of these shaving heads are connected to the center blade, which then controls the angle of all 4 outer blades. Now, mind you, this is not a review of the Raze yet, as that will be in another separate video. However, this is my first thoughts, and I do have to say that it's lighter than I thought they'd be, considering how heavy the Brio Beardscape is. Now, this doesn't feel light and it doesn't feel extra cheap. I was just expecting it to have a little bit more heft. However, I'm kind of glad that it doesn't, because when you're shaving your head, you don't want to have to be holding something heavy up to do so. We'll see if my thoughts on that portion of this changes over the next month or so. But so far, I like how there aren't any sharp corners on it. It is all completely rounded over, and it really doesn't look that bad either. Overall, I think that it's an interesting head shaver, and I am looking forward to using it and trying out wet and dry with several different shaving products over the next month or so. Now, normally I'd be telling you to go down to the link to pick yourself up the Brio Raze. However, right now you can't get it. But I am going to go ahead and put down the link down there for you, so that if you're watching this and it is available, you'll be able to pick yourself up one. Otherwise, watch my socials and I'll be sure to let you guys all know when the Raze comes available. If you like this unboxing and first impressions video, make sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe so that you don't miss my 30-day review of the Brio Raze. And of course, if you want to know what I thought of the version 1 Beardscape, go up here and check out this video. Down below, that's going to be one that you may enjoy as well. Until next time, as always, you have a good one.